Flow 2 Pro, AI tracking 2.0, 3-axis stabilization, creator-grade performance. From mountain runs to sunset surf and neon nights, every shot stays smooth. Vlog.
Right out of the box, the Flow 2 Pro feels solid and well built. It's light for a gimbal, around 357 grams. It folds down compactly. It has a built-in selfie stick of about 210 millimeters and sturdy tripod legs that give you stable shots when set down. The motor arms support full 360 panning, plus wide tilt and roll ranges from 99 to plus 231 tilt, and 390 to plus 135 roll. This gimbal supports most modern smartphones, handling weights from 130 to 300 grams and sizes between 64 to 84 millimeters wide, with a thickness of 6.9 to 10 millimeters. And with its magnetic phone clamp system, mounting, removing, or swapping devices is quick, secure, and super creator-friendly. Where the Flow 2 Pro really stands out is in its AI tracking Deep Track 4.0. It can track multiple people, pets, or other objects. Even more powerful, active zoom tracking, which lets you zoom in up to 15x while keeping your subject in frame. You also get a pro framing grid option like a golden ratio overlay to improve your composition. The gimbal can track subjects even within the iOS native camera app, FaceTime, or third-party apps.
Let's talk about the camera modes and creative tools on the Insta360 Flow 2. This gimbal gives you full manual and automatic phone shooting control, plus easy switching between photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse, and hyperlapse. You get AI-assisted framing and tracking, along with gesture controls for hands-free recording. For creativity, there's barrel roll, dolly zoom, motion time-lapse, panorama, and clone. Everything is controlled through the Insta360 app with real-time previews, overlays, and one-tap presets. So your shots look cinematic, anytime, anywhere. The Insta360 Flow 2 is built for creators who never stop, powered by a high-capacity battery. It delivers up to 10 hours of smooth, stable shooting. So you can film longer, travel farther, and capture more. Need extra power? Flow 2 doubles as a power bank, charging your phone while you record, and with USB-C fast charging, you're always ready for the next shot. No interruptions. No battery anxiety, just all-day power, with the image and video quality. With Deep Track 3.0 AI, it keeps subjects sharp and perfectly framed, even in fast action. Whether you shoot in 4K, slow motion, or ultra-wide, Flow 2 ensures smooth, shake-free results. In low light, it reduces micro-shakes for brighter, cleaner nighttime shots. And it supports multiple shooting styles. Insta369. Meet Flow 2, premium stabilization without the premium price. Whatever you create on the road, in the moment, or in the snow, Flow 2 keeps every frame silky smooth. So, is the Insta360 Flow 2 worth it? If you want smoother shots, smarter tracking, and a gimbal that actually makes filming easier, then yes, it's one of the best upgrades you can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe us for more videos.